Alright guys, welcome back to Grimreaperrc, and today in this video we're going to be unboxing the Redcat Monte Carlo SS Lowrider, and it's going to be a really good video. You guys aren't going to want to miss it. This thing is absolutely insane. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the post notification button so you guys get notified whenever I upload a really cool video just like this one. Alright guys, let's get into the unboxing. Alright guys, so here is the box. This is the 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, which is a fully functional lowrider, and this is not a hopper, but I will be doing some modifications to make this thing hop, so make sure you guys stay tuned to see that in the upcoming future. If we take a look at the other side of the box, they kept the same clean 64 Impala box style with the Monte Carlo. They came over and they did all the awesome little decals of the lowrider scheme all over it. It is a GM official licensed body. If we flip it over on the back, here is some more pictures of the Monte Carlo and it doing some three-wheel action and up and down on the hydraulics, or the fake hydraulics. If we take a look back here, it does say the Monte Carlo 1979 Monte Carlo Lowrider, which is a beautiful scale detail which add realism. You could add a LED light kit into it. They are LED ready headlights and taillights. There are side mirrors, which is awesome, and there's a molded chrome grille on it. It also does come with a 6-channel radio with all of your hopping features, and it does come, not hopping, I'm sorry, low riding features, and it also does come with a battery, so this thing is fully ready to run. On the back it says, expertly designed and engineered, the fully licensed Redcat 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Lowrider is a highly detailed, fully functional scale RC. The Monte Carlo was designed from the ground up with the lowrider, auto enthusiast, and RC scaler communities in mind. The Monte Carlo uses the LR260 chassis, which allows for the usage of most RC bodies with a 260mm wheelbase. This platform is perfect for the creation of the lowrider of your dreams. The LR260 chassis, when combined with the included LR6X radio system, gives the user independent control of each corner of the car. This results in a fully functional lowrider experience. Every detail of the Redcat Monte Carlo was painstakingly and passionately created with the scale, accuracy, and detail in mind. Monte Carlo badging adorns the beautiful body and interior. Many chrome-plated parts are used to create the Monte Carlo scale details. Optional LED lights are available for nighttime cruising. Clear windows feature high-quality chrome foil trim to complete the ultra-realistic appearance. The Redcat Monte Carlo is designed for slow cruising and performing tricks that you can only do with special hydraulically actuated suspension. Using multiple servos and a 6-channel radio, it replicates the driving style and overall look of a full-size lowrider, which is absolutely insane. It is a full 4-wheel independent hydraulic action, which you guys can see up over here. Taking a look at the other side of the box before we get into it, it just says GM officially licensed product right here, and it also was designed in Arizona, which is absolutely awesome. So let's get inside and see what this thing's all about. Alright, so I will adjust the camera so you guys can have a top view, or I might just bring you guys freehand over here. So inside of the box, we do get a USB NiMH 600 milliamp hour charger, which I definitely recommend you guys get another charger for the battery. Also, it does come with different body mounting brackets, so you guys can install a different body on top of the lowrider chassis, which is absolutely insane. It also does come with body posts and body clips. Here is your bind plug, and this is a USB to your radio. That way you can program it. Taking a look at the top, if we pull this back, we get a absolutely amazing style instruction booklet, which I will be showing you guys right now. and it does picture the green Monte Carlo on the front of it, which does look absolutely awesome. And if you flip through the pages, I mean, this booklet is definitely done really great. Some of the pages are fully colored printed, which is absolutely awesome. This is definitely a very nice instruction booklet. So let's take off the top foam pad here, and we'll start taking a look at the components of the Redcat Monte Carlo. So simply removing this foam pad, we can take a look at the top. So this thing does come with a car cover, which is absolutely awesome. We will be taking the remote out right now, which is just stuck down inside of the foam here. And I'll reset you guys and show you guys all about this. So right here is how you control all of the fake hydraulics or the servos. Right here is to raise the front and then raise the rear, which you guys can do all at the same time. If these are up a little bit and you hit drop front, it will drop the front all the way down or drop the rear all the way down. So basically it does have a setup for hydraulics. So I mean, for hopping, it does have the full hydraulic setup. So if we move some of the weight around, I think we will be able to make this thing hop just by lifting this up, these two in the front, and then hitting this a few times. We should be able to get some hop in action. So let's take this thing out of the box and take a look at it. So there it is, the Monte Carlo, still underneath the car cover, which looks absolutely amazing. Let's take a closer look at the front. The Redcat logo kind of looks like the Hellcat logo, which is pretty cool. So let's slowly take this car cover off, and we'll take a look at the Monte Carlo SS Lowrider. Take a look at that grille. The chrome grille on the front looks absolutely amazing. The true headlight buckets and lens covers. The chrome trim along the windows. The chrome trim going along the bumpers and down the sides. Let's take a look at that. True white walled tires. No body posts. Full on magnetic. Take a look at this thing. Look at how cool that looks. This thing looks absolutely awesome. The chrome looks amazing on it. The white walled tires. The spokes on the rims, they look absolutely amazing. We definitely will be getting the Jeffries True 13s for this thing. Wow, this thing is awesome. So let's take the body off and take a look at the interior. I'll show you guys up close on the rear bumper real quick, just so we get a full detailed view of the body. Take a look at that Monte Carlo. It also has a Arizona license plate because that is where it was designed in. Taking a look at the rear, light buckets look absolutely amazing. There is a steering wheel in there, which is pretty cool. If you guys haven't seen, Jeffries does sell a chain steering wheel, which I also will be getting for this. Alright, so let's pull the body off. It is a magnetic body. There are no body posts. So to take the body off, you just gotta pull on the front bumper, pull up on the rear bumper, and then the body comes off. I will be showing you guys the battery that it comes with. I have been using this thing a little bit, so I already did drain the battery, and I've used the Tamiya to Redcat ESC battery adapter because I have been using my own batteries in this thing. That is included inside of the package, which is pretty cool. So the difference between the 64 is that the servos are up front. They are 25 kilogram servos. They're not the RC servos. Then there is the Hexfly steering servo, which is up front. The motor also did get relocated to a front position, but there is still some weights back here and an open space for a battery. So I'm thinking if we upgrade to the RC servos in the front, we put some weight back here and add the battery back, we should be able to get some bounce in action fairly fairly easy from this thing. Shouldn't be too bad. Alright, so let's throw a battery in this thing and see how it performs. So taking a closer look at the Redcat Monte Carlo, you guys can see how truly thin these tires are. There is a super long servo horn so that the rear tires can go up in that extremely high three-wheel position. Then the front bumper with the magnetic post on it. And like this car is intended for, to have some custom body modifications done and some custom modifications to the chassis done. That is what we will be doing. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It also does come with a Hexby ESC, which is compatible for a LiPo or NiMH. You just have to move the pin over. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video today. That is it for Grimreaperrc. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the post notification button so you guys get notified whenever I upload a really cool video just like this one. Make sure you guys stay tuned for some upgrades on this and some customization details to this RC right here, which is the Monte Carlo Lowrider by Redcat. Alright guys, that is it for Grimreaperrc today.